Hello, all you sport bike enthusiasts. Today I've got a really nice CBR1000RR 2006 model. Looks like a really nice bike. Low mileage. I believe it's got about 14,000 miles. Looks good now, but not so much before I put this new set of fairings on it, plastics. These are a set I picked up off eBay for about 400 bucks. Look pretty good, but let me show you what came off of it before that. The front fender got scuffed up a little bit. The front, pretty gnarly crack. Gas tank, not too bad. Fuel tank cover. Side, a lot of road rash. And that was actually caused it too. Cowl's not too bad. Road rash on this side. And the bottom cover has road rash. So what do? You got a nice bike, but you got all of these messed up plastic. So you have a few options. You can go with replacing one panel. OEM would cost you a fortune. Out of the question for this set. Or you could just repair and repaint. Probably cost a lot as well. You could put a wrap on it, and I believe that will set you back maybe $600 to $800 if you have someone else do the work. It's pretty time consuming, as I understand it. But I won't go there. I don't know a lot about that. Or you can do what I did and go back with what they call cheap Chinese bearing. So that's what they look like. Look pretty good. I picked these up, like I say, off eBay. The colors match. The color scheme is very close, if not identical. The Honda decal. Got a little imperfection there, it looks like. Came with the rear cowl. The seat down there, I had that originally. There's the Honda logo back there. This has a Kropovich exhaust, which sounds really good. This has all the logos on it that you would expect on a CBR1000RR. They look really good, to be honest. So my opinion on these is that it's hard to beat. If you're going back for the original look, it's hard to beat these. A set of these you can pick up for about $300 to $400, depends on you know, the quality. These are pretty good quality. You can tell the thickness doesn't seem to be as high quality as the originals from Honda, and some of the details, for example, under here there's not paint, whereas in the Honda version all of that is covered in paint. Not so much down there, but up in there it is. So, and there's some gap issues as well. There's some twisting to make things work. You'll read about that if you see some of the forums where they're talking about replacing the plastic. So, but overall it's a really good look. If you're going for a different look other than original, this is kind of dated, you could go with a wrap, as long as you don't have problems like that. I think you can get a wrap for around $100 for material if you wanted to take on the project yourself. But yeah, everything went together well. A few adjustments here and there to make it work. Some small gap issues, nothing really noticeable. I noticed that the fuel tank, this is not completely flush, as you would expect. But you may be splitting hairs to ask for too much. So yeah, in my opinion, in a pinch, these will get you by. So this motorcycle looks a lot different. After. I'm going to turn it on and let you hear this Krapovich exhaust. That's really, really neat. Love that sound. So if you guys have any comments, leave them below. Any questions, leave them below. The video was helpful for you, give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video.